up? Welcome back to Cubelelo. In today's video, I have parcel from Cubelelo. So let's get into this. As I said in my collection video, I will be getting a 4x4 soon. So here it is. Right, so I had a 4x4 as I showed in that collection video. It was broken and the colors were almostly removed as it wasn't stickered one. So I ordered a Meilong M. So let's get into this. I'm pretty excited for this as this is my first magnetic one. Okay, so it's not opening by my hands. Alright, so here we have a coupon and the cube. Alright, so let's see. Okay, here we have keychain. Oh wow, it's cool. It's new. Yes guys, I had this band, not one stand, and I had a lot of pouches. This one is new. Alright, onto the cube. This one a cube template, invoice, and here's the Meilong 4M. Alright, let's have a look on it. It is worth ₹800 on Cubelelo. Go fast and check out. I used my cube points and got this cube in just 720 rupees. Link in description. Alright, so this accessory box. Okay, it's very hard to remove in my RS3M20. Okay, so here we have the cube. Okay, after a long time touching a 4x4, first move. Okay. It's tight, or I cannot. I guess I'm not used to it. That's why. This one's the PLL parity. Alright, so here we got a stand. What's this? Nothing. Wow, it looks cool. Alright, so onto the cube. Let's see the shades. They are, wow, they are nice. It's matte finish, as you can see. I don't know why I'm not able to turn this one. It needs some setup. It's not the best out of the box according to me, because out of the cube box the cube should be like not that much tight, and but overshooting. Most of the cubes are just overshooting out of the box. This one's almostly the opposite. Full tight, no corner cutting. Let's check it. Okay, it's just doing up till this line, not the reverse one. No. Now on to the reverse corner cutting. No, it cannot do. So it needs a lot of setup. I guess the loops are okay, but it's feeling dry. So I'll add classic and velocity. Actually, I'm using a 3x3, that's why I'm sure that I'm not able to move this one properly. Okay, so I'll make one review video for this one, so stay tuned for this, for the video. So what you have to do is just subscribe and hit the bell icon.